one is this image AI. Just open it. Then you're going to come up with a dashboard which will tell you to describe what image do you want. So I like to first pick my style before I go with anything. So I can just click on this style, then I'll click on create. So it's going to create a random sub for you. It can be a cup, it can be anything, any random thing, because we did not describe what we want. We just choose what kind of style that we want. You can see what it is. I can even save this one. This thing is very fine. I can click on save to save it. You can see this, but I want to describe what image do I want. So I want, this is a 3D image, you can see. So let me say I want a cat with eyeglasses. So if it's not giving me that, let me say a cat first. So I'll click on create here. So this is just like, instead of using your search engine, this is going to give you more of a tailored answer to what you want, because it's using your keyword to give you what you want. So instead of browsing through thousands of images, then you can see it generates a card for you. You can click on save if you want to save, and you can proceed with your keywords if you want. I can see with eyeglasses. So let's see what it generates. Sometimes it doesn't give you what you want. You try to tweak your keywords to other things. So let me say cat or a car, or you can just try to navigate through it. You try to explore it yourself, give it more keywords that you want, then you can easily generate anything. You can just type in something. You don't need to make it complicated with eyeglasses, with Kinikon. Just most times what you really want, then it's going to generate it. So you can tell it to give it a name in the front of the car or anything. So this is the first two here that we have here, and then you can explore the rest by yourself.